This for ECE 4305 lab for the fall of 2021, and this is midterm 1, the chasing LEDs. So what we got in front of us is we have our 7-segment display, and this will be outputting the values that we put on these 8 switches right here. This will determine the delay between the bounce of our LEDs, which we'll see in a second. We have this LED right here, this blue one, that indicates that our FIFO buffer is empty, and the one next to it is, when it turns red, indicates that our FIFO buffer is full. We have this push button right here, which resets our bouncing LEDs. And then we have this switch all the way on the left, and this switch will be used as a stop. So when it's high, we'll stop bouncing our LEDs. And we can see right now that it's high, none of the LEDs are bouncing, but if I turn it low, we can see that our LEDs start going. The left side goes from 15 to 8 and then back to 15, and then the right side goes from 0 to 7 and then back to 0. Now we can see that this is working just fine. If I were to stop it, we could see that the LEDs stop on their track, and now I'm going to keep going. And then now I'm going to start putting in delay values. So let's put in a really large one just to overemphasize. So we have our 8 bits all high, value 255 on our 7-seg, which is exactly what we want. And we could see here that each LED is moving with about a 500 millisecond delay, compared to when this is 0 and LEDs are changing at a 50 millisecond delay. So let's say I put in a value of about 125. Should be right around 275-ish, 300 millisecond delay. We can see that LEDs do indeed slow down and our 7-seg works. And that concludes midterm 1 demo.